Obsidian is a complex note-taking app. In this video, we'll see how to use it on Android. So, let us begin. Opening it the first time will ask you to grant the file permission. Let's do that quickly. This is the Vault interface. We can create a new project or open an existing vault. Let's start afresh. Give it a title and then choose the location below. You might need to allow it here as well. Our project is ready. This is the interface. We have nothing right now and we can click here or here to create a new node. To the left are the project files and options for creating new nodes and folders. The node has the node title on the top. If you have used Obsidian before, you would know that it uses the Markdown language. In Markdown, we use quotes to format text. The app has a toolbar to add those quotes quickly. For example, I can add a heading 2 here. These brackets are for linking to a new node. When inside those brackets, Obsidian will show all the nodes in your project. You can also just add a name and then later create the node. We can tap a link to open that page. If that page does not exist, the app will create a new node. There are many use cases of Obsidian and I'm sure whatever your project is, it can help visualize it. Obsidian has a command palette that can be accessed by swiping down. The command palette is for doing tasks and navigating the project and the app. For example, I can save this file, open a node, create a new node, open settings, copy page links, change the theme and more. Obsidian also supports adding files. This icon will open up the file picker and I'll just select this image. You can attach many types including images and documents. Great! The next topic is its graph. Tap here and then click the graph view. This is what makes Obsidian amazing. The graph is to view which nodes are linking with what nodes. This helps you visualize the project and find any issues. Let's quickly link a new page here. We'll see that page in the graph view. The top is the graph settings. Under display, we can adjust the node size and stuff. I also like to have arrows for better understanding. Looking at this graph, you might not see much value in it. But let me open my original project graph. I'm going to click the top project name and then Manage Vaults. Here we can create a new project or open an existing one. Let's open my project. Here we go. I have so many nodes linked with each other. If we see the graph view now, it will give us lots of data about the project. I can adjust the settings, zoom in and out and open any by tapping on the node. Templates work slightly different in Obsidian. Let's go to settings and under templates, you will find an option to set up a template folder. Then we need to create a new folder with the same title. Next, create a page inside or move an existing one and place it under the folder. Now Obsidian knows about the folder. If we add a template now, it will show a list of templates. Great, we have the template added. A new feature is Canvas. Canvas is used to create the project flow like a flowchart. Go to the same option and create a new canvas. Hold here to add a card. A card is like a project step or task. For a video project, it will be something like write script. Change the color if you like. The next step would be recording the video. Now we can drag those nodes and link with each other to add arrows. In the same way, let's add the third step. Obsidian also supports adding existing nodes here. Pick one and the app will show the node with its content. The last important topic is tags. Tags are used to separate the nodes. Tags help in the graph view as well. We can add a tag by inserting the hash symbol. In the graph view, click Groups. Here we'll create a new group and choose the tag option. Then pick the tag. Once set, you will see the nodes with this tag in the assigned color. Nice. Before we go, let's cover a few quick things. All the page settings are here. We can rename the node, delete it, see the linking pages in the graph and more. Obsidian supports creating a page with today's date. It works like your daily journal where you can add your notes and thoughts. You can also see what pages are linking to the existing page by clicking here. Now swipe down for the linking pages. None of the notes is linking to this one, but when you link to one, it will be something like this. Finally, we won't cover the cloud syncing, but if you're interested, I've made a separate video. Do check it out. Anyway, this is the end. Please let me know if you need any help. I'll catch you later. Take care.